Wow, let's get into it. Let's get into it. Welcome back to Anything That Moves. Crypto is moving lately. It's been moving. So let's talk about it. In this video, we're going to talk about Stellar Luna. We're going to talk about that. We're going to talk about Bonk. We're going to talk about Solana. And of course, we have to talk about Bitcoin, the coin of them all. So let's just get into it right now. This is Stellar Luna right here on the chart, XLM. Okay. So from past videos, I drew some support lines down here. Okay, this area here, this area here. All right, so because we see over here where it touched this, the price touched this level before. Okay, so it kind of tried to go down here again. You see how these wicks like hit here but came up, hit here again and came up. Okay, so we know this price down here is a support level. But now looks like we have a new level, like right around here. Let me just draw that so we can see that nice and cleanly. Alrighty, so okay, I'm gonna draw it from back here so you can see what I see. Can you see what I see? All right, so hold on. You see over here, left side of the screen. Okay, price, the candlesticks reacted to that level before. Okay, it had like hit here, came down, but then once it got above, it stayed above, right, for a while until it hit here again. Price reacted to this area, to this price level. Okay, the price level around here. So now it hit here, and like I said, oh, let me bounce up, support. Okay, again. So now will Stella continue to go up? Because you see, we had a lot of downside with these red candles. So we have to see. Let me open this up a little bit. Okay. We had a little bit of downside action in here. All right. So, and then we consolidated. And so now the point is, will we come up this orange line here, like the gold color line? Will we be able to break through that? Because before we couldn't, we bounced off. So will we get to here, bounce off again and come down? Because we have to go through this line and this one. We have two lines that the price has to like pierce through. So just like it was a strong, long bitey candle coming down, a lot of pressure coming down, you're going to need some force to go up. Okay, so then if we break above, okay, this price level here, okay, you can see the price here, right? Okay, if we break above that, then you have some room. You have some room to here. Okay. So XLM is having a little bit of a struggle right now. Okay. So it's a little bit of struggle. You have to go get through this. You definitely got to get through this. And then you have a clean shot to 13 cents. All right. So it's a lot of struggle. If we don't come above, because look at this. Do you see this? Hold on. Let me draw a trend line for you. Do you see this? What I see, right? You see how price is reacting to this resistance, okay? The trend line here. So we have to really break out of that, right? So it's a lot. So it could, maybe it'll break out, or maybe we'll hit again, or maybe we'll go down. So if we go down, hopefully we have support here. So then you would have a price in here, or will we go down further? So this is the bull case, bear case. Okay, so wanted to make sure you knew about that. I want to move on to, before I move on, for Stella, for the year, we are up, how much for the year? We're up 18%. So see, that's not enough to get my, my juices flowing and all that, because see, it's like we're kind of like at the same level. That's not enough. All right. So, but look at this. Look at this. What's going on? What's going on? Oh my gosh. Did I ever say, if you would have told me 4 years ago, I'm going to be talking about something called Bonk, I wouldn't have, like, what's Bonk? I would have thought so. But here we are talking about Bonk. Wow. Okay. This chart is much better. All right. This chart is much better. Look at this right here. Strong buy. The right side of your screen towards the bottom. Okay, that's what it's saying. I'm not saying this because it's not financial advice, right? Look at all that green in there. Okay, right side of the screen, everybody. So what happened before? Let's draw some trend lines, because, I'm kind of liking this. Miss Moneymaker is feeling this one. I am feeling this. Yeah, I'm feeling this. I'm feeling this. All you bonkers out there. Wow. Click like and subscribe, everybody, and bonk. Okay. Getting all excited. So you see here before, we came up, it was resistance. We hit, we came down, right? Couldn't break above. But woo, when we got that momentum, we really broke above. And then we came back and we respected this area again. So we respected this price here. So what's this? 40. Okay, so 40 is 14. All right. So we respected that. All right. Here we go. And we broke above the green line. We broke above the purple. Okay, these lines matter. They're moving averages and stuff. So now we're here. Okie dokie. Let me tell you. I like this chart. Why do I like this chart? Okay. Hold on. We're gonna type something up real quick. Look at this. Hold on. Okay. See this? Okay, you see this pattern? This is what it looks like to me. It looks a little bit like that. It looks like right now we're at like our last support level. It looks like we were here and it looks like that. A little bit. Okay, let's see. Okay, what am I talking about? Let me go back. See, so it's like this was some shoulder. This was a head. Is this another shoulder? And that pattern I showed you. And then do we go up to here? Okay. Shoulder, head. See? Shoulder, head, second shoulder. Do we go up? Okay. So at least we should go at least to whatever this is called the neckline. Right? So we're here. This is the neckline, right? Okay. Because we should come around here, it seems. Now, can we even go at least to here again? Something like that. So I'm just saying is that what is unfolding? Okay. So it looks sort of like that. So anyway, so now that we're at this level, we had some resistance here. The struggle was real, right? See how it's choppy, 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 choppy. Okay. So will we do choppy, choppy, choppy here also? Okay. And break down? We could. These are just patterns. We have to go with the flow. We have to go with what the coin is doing. We can't make the coin do something, right? We have to go with what it's doing. Or can we do choppy, 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 and then still come up? So the next resistance would be around here, right? Because you see how we bounced off. We bounced off here before. We bounced off here before. So that's that price. Okay, so let's draw some trend lines. But Bonk is looking kind of good. Just in general. I'm not saying, oh, yeah, throw your money in right now, everything. I'm not saying that. I'm just saying in general for this crypto bull run. I mean, for the whole 2024, I'm liking this one. I'm feeling this one. So this is the price. I'm saying alrighty, maybe we'll go here. Okay. So now once you get here, you see when we got here before, we went down. So you got to think about what you're going to do when you get here. Will we go bloop, 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 bloop? Okay. Or will we keep going? It's going to depend on other things. What Bitcoin is doing. What the other altcoins. So I just want to make sure that watch out for this point. Then 4 zeros 34. All right. So now once we get above that, then we're up here. But we'll talk about that as we get to it. So I just wanted to make sure I shout out Bonk because I'm feeling that. And then for the year. Okay, for the year, what did Bonk do for the year? I have this 1 year highlighted. What? Yeah, I'm feeling something like this. So now, Stellar Luna fans, I'm not hating on Stellar Luna. But when I have a choice as Miss Moneymaker between something that did, okay, come on, let me highlight it and let me make it big and fat. Bow, pow, 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 pow. Okay? When I have a choice between that And then I go over here, and then I'm supposed to get excited about 18%. No, I can't. I'm not here for that. And my audience is not here for that either. You're not really my audience. Like, we're in this together. You know what I'm saying? We're not here for 18%. No one's doing crypto. Oh, I just want to make 18%. No. You can just go, get a regular, like, Bank of America stock if you just want 18%. We're not here for that. Okay? We're here for big money moves like that. So this is, right? Like, oh, I'm just investing in crypto for 18%. Get out of here. No, you're not. No one is. Okay? We're here for some real moves like that. So Bonk has already did this much for the year, and we really didn't even get started yet, right? So let's see what else. So here on this website, they're saying some predictions, right? Okay. Oh, Lordy. Look at that. Look at that. Let's just take it in. Let's just take it all in. Okay? 0.0000093. Okay. Who doesn't love that? All right? Bullish sentiment. Okay. Yeah, the greed is here. Yeah, the greed is here. Okay? The greed is here. So, I'm not saying go out there and, whatever, because clearly never financial advice, anything like that. Do you see here that look at this, 2025, there's no 4 zeros here anymore. That's only 3 zeros, people. All right? Only 3 zeros. So, very excited about this one. Very excited. But the reason why I watch these videos, the reason why I'm on my charts, you want to buy when it makes sense. You want to buy on some support. Things like that. Because how much are we going to run until we dip into the summer usually gets a little slow. So are the altcoins going to still run? Are we going to have a little bit of a break? I don't know. We'll see what's happening. But, I like buying on some support. I don't want to buy in the middle of the air because you can go up or you can go down when you're just willy-nilly in the middle. I like buying on some support levels, okay? So something to know. And then, as we're getting into support levels and stuff, we could just dollar cost average our little selves in here and ride it up for the rest of the year, Okay, so we wanted to talk about Bonk. With that, let's go on to Solana. Okay, Solana, what are you doing right now? What are you doing? Because Solana, you topped off here and then you came down, whatever. And then you came back again. You ran up the stairs again. You said, hold my beer. Let me run up again. But this is in April. This is in April. Okay. So I don't want to say, Solana, like, what have you done for me lately as you move down? Okay. What have you done for me lately? When Bonk is like showing out, okay, over here, the right side of the screen at the bottom, this is still saying, hold on, my cursor is so fat. Let me just, okay, hold on. There we go. It's still in the buy. Okay, fine. But I don't know. Okay, so let's see. What are we seeing? I'm going to draw a technical line. Just give me a second. Here we go. Let me just get it. All righty. So let's just move back. Okay, okay. Okay. All right. So that area. Okay. So around $122. See here, we hit it and we came down. We hit it, we came down. But then once we got above it, the price reacted to that thing, the same level, price level, and it went up. Okay. Got near it and it went up. Same thing here again, right? Okay. So now this zone. It's not sexy. I know that was not a sexy line drawing there. Just pretend that was a perfectly drawn, like, I don't know if it's an oval, circle, whatever. You know what I mean? So just pretend that was like perfectly drawn. So that level, that's some good support. So now, are we finished and are we going upward? Well, this is the problem. I don't know because look at this. Can you see it? Should be able to see it by now. Let's see. See, we're kind of like that. Okay, so we broke out of it a little bit. I hope that's enough. I don't know. We got to see. I like saying I don't know because You know, you never really know, right? So are we going to keep going up now? Are we finishing this area? Let's see. Let's see. I want some more price movement. Because look how small, look how small this candle is right here. This is on a daily time frame. It's so small. I can't get excited about that little thing. You know, it's like, never mind. I'm not even going to say it. It's, okay. I was going to say something that I can't say on YouTube. So it's not big enough, right? It's not big enough. It's too small. All right. When it's so small, I could barely see that. So for all I know, maybe it's just going to go back inside here and just stay back. You know, I don't know. That wasn't enough to convince me. It's not like it was some, you know, like one of these big candles. Okay, like I'm over here, right? It's not like it was one of these big green, like it went zoom. You know, like really came. No. So that little candle, yeah. So we have to monitor Solana. It's not enough for me right now. Okay. Yeah, I'm not getting excited about that, especially when I see this. Yeah, no. So Solana's not exciting right now. We'll just wait. We'll see. Will it break above and keep going? If it does, next resistance, okay, over in this level. Okay, so like say 155, then we have problem over here. I'll just update the videos as we move on. $170. So we'll see. We'll see. But at least we know this area is support. Okay, this area, that price action, you know, 120, 125, this whole area. So that's some nice support, like to pick that back up. Okay, so let's just move on to the one, the only, the one, the only reason why, you know, this is like the OG Big Daddy. Alrighty, so here you can see we're having a little problem. Like same thing, we have to break out of this. You know, this descending trend line, we hit it and we bounced off. We hit it, we bounced off. Boom again, boom again. So that's what I'm saying with Solana too. Solana and Bitcoin is kind of like doing the same thing right now. Let's see if we come above that, you know, and then if we break through this price level, right, then still we have to clear this resistance, okay? We have to clear that next level. So that's like a 67,000, and then we still have to keep going. So it's unclear. We don't know if we're going to break up or break down. We could break down, you know, so we just have to see. We just have to see. So, you know, we take it as it comes. We take it as it comes. But what we do is, this is what we know. Okay? I can't change the direction of the wind, but I can adjust my sails to always reach my destination. Jimmy Dean. Ready? Let's take that in again. What am I saying? I can't change the direction of the wind. Yes, we cannot change the direction of where Bitcoin is going, Bonk, Stellar Luna, Solana. We can't change the direction of that, okay? But I can adjust my sails. So if you think you're too heavy in a crypto, adjust yourself. You can, you know, lessen up your position. Take some off or switch to another crypto, something like that. Adjust your sails, okay? So at the end, you can always reach your destination. And you know what, people? The destination is to have some money. More money than we had before. All right? So keep adjusting accordingly. Don't get stuck in one thing and be like, oh my God. I'm not saying take on more altcoins or something like that, but don't get married to something. I see some people and they're like, oh, you know, hold on. It's like they'll say, oh, I did this coin, and so now I'm in it for the rest. No. You're not married to anything. This is not till death do you part. So this is what Jimmy Dean is saying. You just want to reach the destination. No one cares how you get there. Okay? No one cares if you change your mind. Adjust yourself. As long as we all get there, and you know what? We're going to get there together, people. Okay? I'm Miss Moneymaker. I make money. You better make money. This is not financial advice, but I'm reaching my destination. Are you coming with me? I'll see you next time on Anything That Moves. Bye for now.